Hi guys, welcome to Lan Ha Bay. Today it is a little bit hazy outside, but the landscapes is really beautiful. And like you know, Ha Long Bay and Lan Ha Bay at that moment are really quiet and empty, as you see. There are no tourists around here. And the weather is getting better and better after the storm, you see. And like you see today, I will take you to the floating village. This is one of the oldest floating villages in the world, dating back to 7,000 years ago up to now. And it is really amazing how they live on the water. The people here, there are about 1,000 people living on the water, and it is really amazing. Have a nice day ahead, and hope to see you again in Lan Ha Bay.